Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some gel swatches to share with you guys. I have UberChic Beauty's new limited edition reflective glitter gel polishes, and I had to show you the boxes because these caught my eye as soon as I opened the box. They released 3 glitter gel polishes as part of their New Year's launch, and they retail for $13.99 each on their website, which I will leave linked down below. But anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Up first is Diamonds, and this one is a true silver reflective glitter gel polish. This one is packed with reflective silver glitters, and I was able to get it completely opaque in about 2 to 3 coats. These are gel polishes, so I made sure to cure them in an LED light for about 60 seconds after each coat. Now they do dry with a very slight tacky layer, and they do dry a little bit textured as well, so I made sure to apply a no wipe gel top coat on top to smooth out the texture and add a super glossy shine. So here are 3 coats of UberChic Beauty's Diamonds. You can kind of see the reflective glitters when I move my hands out of focus, but they are unreal under my phone flashlight, so I'm going to insert a clip right here. Up next is Champagne, and this one has more of a rose gold tint to it, plus it has some added holographic glitters in addition to the reflective glitters. For this polish, I was able to get it completely opaque in 2 coats. Again, I cured it in an LED lamp for about 60 seconds after each coat, and it did cure with a little bit of texture, so I added a no wipe gel top coat on top. So here are 2 coats of Champagne. And here's a shot of Champagne with my phone flashlight. And last but not least is Caviar, which is a luxurious black reflective gel polish. This polish has a pretty pigmented black gel base, and it's got those reflective glitters in it, and I feel like this polish has the most dramatic change from how it looks under normal lighting to its reflective state under a flashlight. And I used 2 coats to reach full opacity. Here's 2 coats of Caviar, and I just can't get over how pretty this looks, even just as a regular gel polish under normal lighting. Here's Caviar under my phone flashlight, and it is just glowing. And here's one more look at the swatches of the 3 reflective glitter gel polishes from UberChic Beauty's New Year's launch. Again, these are available right now on the UberChic Beauty website, which I will leave linked in the description box below. But anyways, that's all for today's video. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. I really appreciate it. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!